good morning, students. So today is the set. It belongs to first year students. Okay. So myself, Dr. K.C. Konda, faculty of Nalanda Coastal Science College, Bangalore. Okay. Now welcome. Okay. Today's topic is set. What is a set? Set माने कौन? हम 10th class में पढ़ी चे, है ना? कितने गुड़िये समारोह नहीं की, तब कोई चे set. Okay. Now well-defined collection of certain number or objects. Okay. So object you can say A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, or you can say apple, orange, banana. Okay. Apple. Number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or real number, or natural number, or integers. We do that. Okay. Now here, set. The point is, it must be a well-defined collection of objects or numbers. Okay. If you take objects, let us say A, B, C, small letters are the objects, alphabets, and the number means 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let us say here we denote the set means in generally capital A, B, C are the sets, and small A, B, C are the elements. Okay. Now, in general, you deal with the capital alphabets are the sets and small letter A, B, C are the elements or upadana. Okay. Or you can say 1, 2, 3 are the numbers. Okay. Now, this is a let us say A is denoted by set A. Collection of well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means जो सेट की आमे डिफाइंड करि पारुथुवा आमे जानि पारुथुवा. फॉर एग्जांपल alphabets, how many alphabets? There are 26 alphabets. Out of 26, what is the number of vowels? swara varna vyanjana varna हम जानेंगे 10th class में पढ़े. Okay. swara varna केतुटा vyanjana varna केतुटा. Okay. Now A, E, I, O, U. Now these are the vowels. Okay. Now this is well defined. So out of 26, there are 6 letters are the vowels. Or let us say A is the set of prime numbers less than 11 or 20. Let us say another a collection of set of first 11 prime numbers. Okay, so what is the set of 11 prime numbers? Now 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, this is a set of polymer संख्या का वर्ग. Okay. Now let us another example is set of even number or prime even number. Let us say a set of prime even number. What is the set of prime even number? There is only 2 is the prime number. Even number जुग्म अजुग्म एटा होची जुग्म होची प्राइम नंबर इवन नंबर माने जुग्म आ अजुग्म माने ऑड नंबर. ओके. जो संख्या डेकी जुग्म हेतिबो एवं प्राइम हेतिबो जोडा की ओनली गुटा प्राइम नंबर जान में 2 3 5 7 हला 11 13 11 17 एजा प्राइम नंबर. आउट ऑफ नंबर प्राइम दिस ओनली. ओके. नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल इज now collection of okay. Now suppose one is the set of natural number up to 10. The collection of set of natural number less than 10. This is well defined. What is the natural number? Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well defined. This is well defined. but less than 10. Less than 10 means so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is a less than 10, not less than equal to. If less than equal to given, no equal to the 10. Okay, now less than 10. Now this is a set. What is a set? सेट माने कोन सेट का कजे जो सेट की हमें जानी पारुथुआ वेल डिफाइन करि पारुथुआ दैट वाज सेट वाज ओके और वेल डिफाइंड ना कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स or numbers is called a set. Now this is a definition of set. Okay, now you know that 10th class में पाठ पढ़िछे. Now this is a symbol belongs to. Yes or no? Belongs to. Okay, now let us say, for example, let us say set A equal to, let us say 3 elements A, B or 3 objects, let us say A, B, C. Now here small a is an element of set A. That means this is a belongs to. Bujila? Now similarly B is also belongs to capital A. Now C is also belongs to capital A, but D is not element of set A. Now this is a belongs to, this is a does not belongs to. Now that means you are belongs to Indian, citizen of India. Okay. Now all are the belongs to citizen of India. Now this is a universal set. Okay. Now let us say set A equal to 3 elements. Now here A, B, C, small a, B, C, all 3 elements belongs to capital A. But D is not an element of it. That means this is a does not belongs to. Okay. Now this symbol A belongs to. Okay. Now what is the belongs to? अगर element जल्दी set पे दे जल्दी अच्छी ताहले कहवा belongs to. जल्दी set पे नहीं ताहले कहवा से element से set पे नहीं. Or we can say does not belongs to. Okay. Now this is the definition of set. Next one is what is a roster form and tabular form. हमें 10th class में पढ़ी roster form माने सारणी पद्धति हैला set builder माने सूत्र पद्धति. Okay, now we are discuss about the roster form and tabular form. Okay, what is the roster and tabular form? माने ओडिया रे होची सारणी पद्धति. Okay, now here a set is described by listing elements separated by comma. हैला माने अर्थ होची उटे सेट रे जेते एलिमेंट लिखिबा से जाय गोटे कॉमा थाई के लिखिया पड़ियो. ओके, कॉमा रे लिखिबा within the bracket. Okay, now for example the set of natural number. Set of natural number means A equal to in right bracket 1, then 2, then 3, then each element is separated by a comma. Now this is known as roster form, or we can say tabular. Okay, or this is one example, and second example is the set of even number. Let us say the set of even numbers. Okay, now what is the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, is the set of even numbers. Okay, or if you write set of odd numbers. Okay, another example is set of odd numbers. Odd number means set A equal to, let us say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, This is a setup. This is a simple example of roster form. Okay, one question is given. Write in roster form. Okay, the set of prime numbers. Okay, write in roster form the set of prime numbers. Okay, so write this is a 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, or 13, This is a set of prime numbers. Okay, or you can solve this given also given. Okay, or you can start from 1. Actually, it's 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, this is a raster form. Okay, that means each element is separated by comma. ହେଲା ଟେବୁଲ ଫର୍ମ ମାନେ କଣ ଲେଖିବ ଜାଣିଛ ନା ଯାହା ଦେଇଥିବ ସେଟର ବ୍ରାକେଟ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖିବ ତା ସହିତ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କମା ଦେଇକି ଲେଖିବ ଆଉ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ହେଉଛି roster form or tabular form. Okay, now next one is roster form মানে सूत्र पद्धति माने सूत्र पद्धति माने कोन आमे जे कोनोची उटे नंबर ताको रिप्रेजेंट करिया परे सूत्र अनुसार जेमि आमे तत्का सपोज 10 टी कमला मने करो कमला इक्वल टू x नोचे सिमिलरली नाउ हियर वी टेक a set is described by characterizing property of p of x number property बुझला now for example write in set builder form okay write in set builder form the a set of natural number set of natural numbers. Okay, now a equal to x. This is x. Okay, such that x belongs to natural number. This is a सूत्र पद्धति माने आमे ताको रिप्रेजेंट करिवा x रिप्रेजेंट करिवा आमे कोन रखुले रास्टर फॉर्म लिखुले कोन एटा को a equal to each element is separated by a comma. That means I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, dot लिखुले एटा होची this is a tabular form. Okay, now this is a tabular form and this is a set builder form. आको जो डिफरेंस कोन each element is separated by comma आको कोन लिखिबा उते सूत्र हम रिप्रेजेंट करिया पड़ो x such that x is a natural number or this is a one example okay set of natural number. Let us another example is set of even number. Set of even numbers. That means a equal to x such that x equal to 2n and n belongs to natural number. If you take positive even number, right here if you write positive even number, this is a natural number. And n belongs to natural number means that what is the meaning? N equal to 1, then it becomes 2. First n equal to 1, then it becomes 2. Then n equal to 2, then it becomes 4. Then n equal to 3, it becomes 6. Now these are the even numbers, positive. If you take only suppose if you take only even number x such that x equal to 2n and plus to z integer -2, -4, -6 is also even number. If you write positive number even number, write this one. If you write only even number x such that x equal to 2n. This is a one example. Another example is suppose write in the set builder form. Write in form. Let us say a equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, 9, 16, dot. Okay. Now here this can be written as a equal to x such that x equal to n row square. Now n belongs to natural number. Okay, now if you take n equal to 1 row square. If n equal to 2 row square. If n equal to 3 row square. In n equal to 4 row square. Now this is the set builder form or sutra padati. Okay, now let us say another example is, suppose a equal to 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, dot. So write in the set builder form equal to x such that x equal to n row square and n belongs to z integer. Now integer means here positive or negative. If you take 0 square, if 0, first let us say 0 row, x equal to 0 square equal to 0, first one. If you take x equal to plus or minus 1, then plus or minus 1 row, x equal to plus or minus 1 row square is 1, plus or minus 2, next one is, then x equal to plus or minus 2 row square equal to 4, Now this is a representation of set builder form and roster form. What is the difference between set builder and roster form? Sutra padati or Sari padati, tabular. Okay. Now roster form means each element is separated by comma. Mind set karo hela. Our set builder form माने कोन ताकू आमे रिप्रेजेंट करिबा गुटे फंक्शन ऊपर x रिप्रेजेंट करिगी आमे कहबा हला ता पाजो each element ऐसा is described by a characterizing property p of x रिप्रेजेंट कर देखो ऐसा का नेचुरल नंबर a equal to x such that x is a natural number एटा होची रस्ट सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म आपको जदी आमे लिखिबा सारण पद्धति रे a equal to each element is separated by comma बुझी पालो what is the difference between roster form and set builder form okay now next is okay example write in the tabular form write in sets in tabular form now one is mathematics okay second one is algebra and third one is equation okay now write in the set builder form tabular form this is it and second one is write in set builder form first one is set of odd natural number and second one set of this is an odd natural number this is an even natural number okay now here write a first one is mathematics okay now here a equal to m a what is the tabular form each element is separated by comma okay माने गुटे गुटे उपादान गुडी को मध्य रे गुटे गुटे कॉमा लिखिबा को पड़िबो नाउ हियर m but repeated नाइ m दित लिखिबानी ओके नाउ m a then p h e again m is there then a b अछि t अछि I then c then s now this each element is separated by comma repeat जल्दी तो लिखोनी हम तंत्र राशि पे लिखते दिले a equal to मन सपोज आसिला sorry 1 2 3 3 इन तारे सेट रिपीट लिखि कोतले a equal to 1 2 3 repeat दिले भी थरे लिखा now here mathematics दी जाची जल्दी थरे लिखा सिमिलरली now second one is algebra देखो रिपीट कोन अछि कि किछि रिपीट ना नाउ a रे रिपीट अछि a रे थोड़ा लिखबा नाउ a l g e b r or you can write alphabetically serial. You can write also. You can write A, then B, then E, then G, L, then R. According to alphabetic A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Or second one is equation. In equation is not repeated, right? E, then Q, U, A, T, I, O, N. Now this equation, or you can write alphabetic, right? First A, then according to alphabetic. Okay. Now this is a write in the tabular form. Each element is separated by comma. Either write this way or this way. Same thing. Okay. Either write this or this. Okay. If you write this one, this is a pattern. Okay. Now here write in set builder form. Set builder माने सूत्र पद्धति. हला. Okay. Now here set of natural number. Odd natural number. Odd natural number माने क्या हुआ है? 1, 3, 5, 7. एटा होची odd natural number. आपको रिप्रेजेंट करिबा हमें now write in the set builder form. So here A equal to x such that x equal to 2n plus 2n minus 1 n belongs to natural number. If you take n equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 1. If n equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. If n equal to 3, 6 minus 1, 5, dot dot dot. This is a representation of nature. Okay. Now here this is a roster form. This is a set builder form. But here I set builder form. So answer is this one. Okay. Now here second one is even number. What is the even number? Natural number. A equal to 2, 4, 6. Then 8. Plus or minus 2 or 0, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4. Okay. Now A equal to x such that x equal to 2n and n equals to integers. This is right in the set builder form. Okay. Now this is an example of roster form and set builder form. Okay. बुझिएला नहीं? हला देखो रस्टर फॉर्म माने कहू दउ बारंबार कहू दउ रस्टर फॉर्म माने कोन जेतला कि गुटे गुटे एलिमेंट को आमे कॉमा लिखिबा ताको रस्टर फॉर्म को आछिबो 10th क्लास पढाइतिला हला सारणी पद्धति आउट होची सेट बिल्डर माने कोन आमे ताको रिप्रेजेंट करिबा एक्स रिप्रेजेंट करिबा एक्स रिप्रेजेंट को आछो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. ओके. नाउ दिस आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ टेबुलर एंड रस्टर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज now this is another example of empty set माने शून्य सेट हला माने अर्थ कोन a set does not possesses any element जो सेट रे की किछि भी एलिमेंट नथिबो ता पाजिबो empty set. Okay. It has no elements or you can say a set does not possesses any elements. Okay. Now it denoted by 5 or you can write this one. That means if A could write only 5, right? Or you can write A equal to only bracket, right? Only this much, not write within any elements. Okay. This is a definition of empty set. Okay. Empty set माने कौन? जो set रे की किछि element नथिबो उपादान गुडी को नथिबो. Okay. Except as the possesses an element or if it has no elements. Now this is a 5 empty set or you can write only bracketed, right? Okay. Now for example, let us say A equal to x such that x square equal to minus 9. X belongs to real number. No value of x. Here x. X is a real number. X is a real number. Any value you can take, either 2, 3 or minus 1 by 2. But x square is must be a positive. Yes or no? What are the value of x? x square must be positive. So this is a empty set. Okay, this is definition of empty set. Another is, let us say a equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and 2 is less than x is less than 3. x is natural number habo, 2 is bodo, 3 to come. Actually, natural number, there is no natural number between 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 real number achi, kintu natural number 9. So this is a definition of example of empty set. Now another example is set of even prime number is greater than 2. Set of even prime number greater than 2. Okay, so greater than 2 means in a prime number there is a one even number, prime number is 2. So greater than 2 means no prime number is greater than 2. Now this is these three are the example of empty set. Okay, और गुड़ाई भी example होची तब जहाँ भी लिख पारिबो. Okay, now this is the example of empty set. Okay, now next one is singleton set. Single माने गुटे, single माने गुटे होची. Singleton set माने कोना? A set having only one element. हला, a set having only one element is called a singleton set. Okay, now for example, let us say 1. This is a set having only one element, or you can write a equal to, in bracket write 5. This is also a one element. Okay, or you can write a equal to a. Okay, जो set रे गुटे element को आतिबो तापाजियो singleton set. A set having only one element is called singleton set. Now next one is finite set. What is a finite set? A set having finite number of elements जो सेट्रे आमे गणी पारुतबा. मनर फॉर एग्जांपल set of natural number is less than 10. A set of natural number is less than 100. Okay, so this is a finite set. Now that means we write in this one 1, 2, 3, less than 100, so 99. Okay, I have the सूत्र में सारा पद लिखले जब इनमें लिखिवा रिप्रेजेंट करवा इसेंट पद x equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x less than 100. Okay, so this is the definition of finite set. Finite set माने कौन? हमने गणी पारुतुवा तो finite set. Okay, next one is infinite set. Now infinite set माने कौन? A set having infinite number of elements. Okay, a set having or when if it is not a finite, then it is, or you can, in otherwise you can say a set here finite number, it is a finite set. If not a finite, then you say different set. Or set having infinite number of elements. For example, a equal to the set of natural number. natural number, that means write 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. This is an infinite set. Or you can write, this is one example, set of prime number, okay, set of even number, set of odd number, जोटा ଆମେ ଗଣି ପାରୁନଥିବା ଗଣି ଅଗଣିତ ତା କହିଛୁ infinite set. Okay, now next one is, okay, now another definition is kinetic number and equivalent set. Okay, what is a kinetic number? The number of elements in a set. Okay, kinetic means the number of elements in given set. Okay, now for example, suppose set A has 3 elements, let us say 1, 2, 3. So some book is given n of A or given this one. Okay, either write this way or this way, but the control is set. Okay, तब इमदी लिखी पारो, इमदी लिखी पारो. केते बोइरे 10th class रे इमदी दिला, और English medium रे एटा कर दिए. Okay, now the number of elements of A. What is that? The number of elements here 1, 2, 3. Now this is a 3. So calculate output A. Okay, now this is one example. Let us say another example equal A equal to this one. This is empty set. Empty set. Empty set माने कौन? जो set रे की किसी भी उपादान नथिबो तो empty set. What is the calculate output this one? Or you can write this one. What is that? What is the number of elements in empty set? There is no elements, so this is 0. According to definition of empty set, a set does not possess any element. जो set रे की किसी element नथिबो तार calculate केते किछि तो नाही आउ. So here the number of elements equal to 0. This is it. And another example, suppose A equal to A, B, C, D. Let us say this is objects. What is the number of elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Or you can write n of A. This one. This is the number of elements in a given set. जो set रे देखो जितना संख्या देखो तारों से काटे. The number of elements in given set or in a set. Okay. Now here set equal to 3 elements. So there are 3. Or each color is 3. Here empty set does not possess any elements. What is the number of elements? So 0. Okay. Now here A, B, C, D. 4 objects here. So this is a 4. Now equivalent set means let A and B are 2 sets. Okay. Okay. If the number of element A equal to number of element of B, then we say that set A is equivalent to set B, or set A is equivalent to set B if they have same cardinality. Now for example, let us say A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to, let us say, X, Y and Z. Okay, so what is the number of elements of A? Now according to definition of cardinality, this is a 3. What is the number of elements of B? Here also 3. That means they have, or then we say that these two are equivalent, not equal set. Okay, now that means set A is equivalent to B, or immediately A is equivalent to set B. They have same number of elements. Hala. जब भी सेट रे जब भी 1 2 3 अछि सेट रे xyz अछि किबा pqr, but the number of element is 3. Here 3, so these two are equivalent. Number of element of A equal to number of element of B. What is the definition of Na? So set, what is the number of hey, the number of elements in a given set is the coordinate of 4. Hey, now if these two are equal, then we say that two sets are equivalent. Okay. Now, okay. So today is what is the definition of set? Bujila. Second one is it must be well defined. This is the first one. Second one is what is the roster form and set filter form. Okay. And second one is empty set. Okay. And finite set, infinite set. Next is random number of set, equivalent set. Okay. With suitable example. Now next class we will discuss about the equal set and extra. Okay.